Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Playlist Buddy to create YouTube playlists on autopilot. Visit playlistbuddy.xyz. You will need to create a free account using your email ID. You will automatically be on the free trial plan. If you want an extended demo plan, just let me know your username and I will upgrade your account for free for 15 days. Once you're logged in, you will see the dashboard with basic info. The first thing we need to do is add our YouTube account. Click on Accounts in the left-hand sidebar. Here you can see all your connected YouTube accounts, add new ones, and remove any accounts. Make sure you have a plugin installed that lets you export cookies. Click on Add Account. Now you need to visit the Google Embedded Account URL and log in with your Gmail account. Click on I agree, and after that, export your cookies. You will need to find the OAuth token value from the cookie export. This token is valid only for a few minutes, so make sure you add it quickly in Playlist Buddy, otherwise it may expire. This is also a one-time use token. Once the token is added to the website, click Add Account. It will take a few seconds to fetch all the channels for that account. Next, click on the channels page in the left-hand sidebar. Here you can see all your channels. To add proxies, click on the Proxies page and add your proxy there. Now click on the Groups page. Here we will create a group of channels that we want to use to create playlists. Click on Create Group. You can assign a proxy to the group. All channels in this group will use this proxy. To add channels to the group, click on the Manage button. You can add channels here. I am adding 5 channels for this test. Next, click on the Tasks page. Here you can see all the tasks and delete them as well. To create a new task, click on the Create Task button. You can name the task anything you like. In the group field, select the group of channels you want to use to create playlists. For the delay between each playlist, I'm choosing just 5 seconds. In playlist titles, you need to select a text file with titles. Each new line counts as a new playlist title. If you want to add descriptions, enable the description option. I will show that later in the video, but for now, we will create playlists without any description. Money videos are your videos that you want to add to the playlist. For this demo, I will use the first 3 videos from TED Ed. Make sure you have only video IDs in the text file. Remove everything else, otherwise it will not work. In the number of video setting, you can select how many of your videos you want to add to each playlist. I have 3 videos in my file, but I will add only 2 videos per playlist. I have enabled randomized video order. Otherwise, only the first 2 videos will be used every time. If you want to add videos from other YouTubers to your playlist, you can enable the YouTube video scraping option. The app will scrape videos for each title and add them to your playlist. If you enable this option, you will see a few strategies you can select from. For this video, I'm going with the alternating option. The first video will be mine, and the second video will be from the scraped results. Click on Create Task. Once the task is created, click on the Start button to start the task. To check the results, go to the results page. As you can see, the playlists are created. You can see the 2 TED Ed videos, while the others were scraped from YouTube. Now I will create a new task with descriptions as well. For this, I'm also going to create a new group with 5 different channels. I have a titles file with 5 titles and a description file with 5 descriptions. One description for each title. Descriptions work the same as titles. Each description must be on a new line. To add descriptions, enable the description option and select your text file. For this task, I'm going to use the sandwich strategy. The top first video will be ours and the other videos will be at the bottom. You can filter results by task. Now, what if you want to add just one single description for all playlists? We will create a new task to see how to do that. Again, I am creating a new group first for this task. I have 5 titles for the playlist and 1 generic description for all playlists. In the video distribution strategy, I'm using Start Heavy. This will put all our videos at the top. I'm also going to add a thumbnail video. Regardless of your video distribution strategy, this video will always be on top. If you want, you can export the results in JSON or CSV as well. If you have any questions or need any help, you can contact me on Discord or Telegram.